Yo Honey Singh. The name itself is synonymous with a revolution in Indian music. Born Hridesh Singh, this boy from Delhi dared to dream big. He brought a unique blend of Punjabi rap and catchy beats to the mainstream. His music was fresh, it was energetic, and it resonated with the youth like never before. Honey Singh's early days weren't glamorous. He started as a session musician. He worked hard, honing his craft. His big break came with the song Shakal Pe Mat Ja. The song went viral. It catapulted Honey Singh into the limelight. He became an overnight sensation. Awards and accolades followed. His music topped charts. Bollywood came calling. Soon Honey Singh's voice was everywhere. He collaborated with big names. From Shah Rukh Khan to Akshay Kumar, everyone wanted a piece of the Honey Singh magic. He was unstoppable. He was on top of the world. Little did anyone know a storm was brewing. Behind the dazzling lights and fame, a battle raged within Honey Singh. The pressure of success, the demands of the industry, it all took a toll. He turned to drugs. It started as a way to cope. It quickly spiraled into a dangerous addiction. Honey Singh withdrew from the public eye. Rumors spread like wildfire. His absence was deafening. His family and friends were worried. His fans were heartbroken. The once vibrant star was fighting a losing battle with his demons. The addiction took everything from him: his career, his health, his relationships. His marriage to Shalini Talwar, his childhood sweetheart, crumbled under the strain. It was a dark period, a period of pain, isolation, and despair. But somewhere amidst the darkness, a flicker of hope remained. As if the addiction wasn't enough, Honey Singh's feud with fellow rapper Badshah added fuel to the fire. Their group, Mafia Mandir, was a force to be reckoned with. But creative differences and ego clashes led to a bitter split. The feud was public. It was ugly. Both artists took potshots at each other through their music. Fans were divided. The industry watched in shock. The feud cast a long shadow over their careers. Even after years, the wounds hadn't healed. Badshah's public apology in 2024 brought little solace. Honey Singh saw it as insincere, a publicity stunt. The scars of the past ran deep. He was battling his own demons, struggling to find his way back from the brink. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Honey Singh returned. He acknowledged his addiction. He sought help. It was a long and arduous journey, but he was determined to reclaim his life. His comeback album Glory in 2024 was a testament to his resilience. His music was raw, it was honest. It reflected his struggles and triumphs. The fans welcomed him back with open arms. Their love and support fueled his determination. He collaborated with artists like Jazzy B and AP Dillon. His performance at the Brown Print India tour was electric. He poured his heart out on stage. The crowd went wild. He was back where he belonged. Honey Singh's story is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope can prevail. It's a story of second chances, a story of redemption, a story that continues to inspire.